cái này tụi mình là dùng mà là biệp chu chul drone đại bục thật lẹ cái khơi 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 bảy so hay dùng thì cả đấy chân bài này khác thì phải chỉ cắt hay bánh namแต่ระเบียบชุมทัวนี่คือยังจำไรให้chỉ bong bong một chút đặc đấyแต่เรายังเธอต้องออกเลยนะchỉตัวบองยังนี่มาอีกMJX BUGS ดอกปี IEIS เลยทะเลมาสนามกัดฟังเหมือนกันยังไม่เคยออกเลยนะไอ้ได้เป็นอะไรยังขอchụp đây này phọc này ấy đó rồi tụi thì hay ta dùng thứ mấy đầm bầy ai cũng bật snam điện so lại bục thẹn nó cứ để xa việc bật signal còn chật liền lần hai đấy việc sẽ phải bật signal bật GPS ta hà lớp trong nó hai tụi thì việc thứ ta thứ mày bật snam điện snam so này thì nhá khom được lời được sang cái nhom ọt miền ọt cả hay chui bàn của cái về cho tới về này hay về cọ hay là mỗi ai chỉ bán được số kia rồi mà khát những cái trong bây giờ bảy khăn bảy đỏ khăn của họ buôn phải chỉ sam sập lố tới sam sập đèn của này không mà màu hay bị bật tới việc họ buộc từng chéo rồi còn này thì còn nghe số mình tên còn nhiều để kèm nữa mà đốt đấy nè đốt đây. So this is how I will repair the damage from the crash. My drone is lost the GPS signal, and it's by the sudden it's crashed into the wall where I was flying. Anyway, so I show you guys a trick where I can take or remove all the like see the white bits here. So some people can use scrub or spray it, which is cover the the white bits. But I would not, except I take this out because this out of it. See that it's more like plaster here. All right. So plaster. Okay, so there's a plaster. Oh, sorry, it's not clear. See the plaster right here. So now the trick to it, take this off first because this is just probably it's a motion paint or something. Mà nhầm vô phải chỉ thứ năm liệt chàng thằng ấy việc đào chọn trong cái lẹ tới này. Camera đi cô. Okay, now để kể lấy nhầm vào hai tích nhé. Đây cái này này ấy đến còn lại dương mình đập drone cho thế này còn là đồ mà thế anh bật thì bạn này mình ấy chưa như thế phải nhé bật em đó mình vì là pra thì bọn con đây còn chia cao gì nhóm đỏ sao cả cất coi cất thơ mẹ bật snap này nhóm trong spray về đấy. I didn't get this trick from someone actually. I was just thinking I wanted to scrub it with the sandpaper and then respray with black or grayish or something to cover the white bits. But I was thinking like, oh, what if I just use a lighter and it's just light a little bit, so it could take away the white parts. So now it's removing out the white parts a little bit more. See? So you can do this trick with your car too, like especially a car that has some scratch. So there it goes. You take that. That looks better. Okay, now just take this part here. I turned off the light so maybe you can see clear. Yeah, here, right here. So here's got all these white parts here. It's from This is from the impacts. It was quite bad impact, but I managed to rescue it, which is, it's not I'm not like try to fly back, because when it crashed, take down the battery fell apart, and the motor also kind of jammed a little bit, but I sorry, yeah, I managed to fix it. Sorry for the quality of the camera. Yeah, I'll turn back the flashlight. Okay, now there it goes. I would fix this part. This part, it's gone. Cool, isn't it? So now, back to almost as normal. A little bit here. See, can you see white part here? No, gone. Well, except in there, I don't want to put right too much into here, but maybe try. Gas gonna run out. Okay, now this part. So you move a little bit like this. Don't put it all direct to the, to the white part. Just move forward, backward like this. So it's how it didn't show much. To this one, I think I should do something to this scratch, because I feel like stay there. Okay, I'll do it here. So, okay, just this way. Okay, đây là một bộ về cầm bài chỉ muốn chơi mình tên á, là dừng để bật vào hỏi. Ok, nó xong tích lại này cứ trong thợ cả cái bộ được sai vì chụp chúng muốn superglue. Try to remove this with my nail. Okay. So this part I can't take it because it's more like it's a paint, something like here. Okay. Much better. Okay, my drone looks better than before I burn it. You mean what I mean burn? I don't burn it, but just you just do this. Simple, easy. Same to the blade here. See that? So we try it, see if it fits or not. No, because this is actually stronger material, because the plastic is really strong, so I don't think it can burn enough. But I'll try. If it's not working, the best thing I do is I show you. I take off the scratch and everything. Sorry, it's not so clear because yeah, there it goes. See? So look, I spray this with it's called, I think this is called flat black. so the scratch is gone. Now I'll show you another one here. It will look exactly like this. Shit. There it goes. And this one here. Cannot take it because so I'll do just this. Oh. Perfect. Let's see others. This one, yeah, it's the same look. So all I do is just wrap up. The camera is very important. And put them together like this. And of course I cannot fix this cut right here. It's bent and it's come with grass inside. Okay, never mind. Yeah. Oh, the camera is very bad. How can I do it? Okay, now. Okay. This is great. Another one here. Wow. Looks still bad damage here. And I need to replace this. But not yet because I think it's still I can use it. So it is exactly the same method of just wrapping a little bit, wrapping here. Oh crap! Goes. Now, yes, I need to remove the tissues. Yes. Yeah. Okay. That's it. Perfect. Thumb up and subscribe my channel, please. Thank you.